pause for a moment. The screen you're watching, your breath right now, the fact that you're aware you exist. None of this had to happen. There was a time when there was no time, no space, no matter. And then, 13.8 billion years ago, everything began from a single point. This video is not just about how the universe was born, it's about why you are even possible. The universe began as a singularity, smaller than the tip of a needle. Its temperature was trillions of times hotter than the core of the sun. To even describe this moment, physicists had to redefine time itself, Planck time, 10 cubed seconds. In that unimaginably brief instant, entire universes could be born and vanish. The laws of physics as we know them didn't exist. At this stage, the four fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, were unified as one single superforce. As the universe expanded, this unity shattered. The first force to break away was gravity. Then something extraordinary happened. The universe expanded from smaller than an atom to the size of an orange and beyond, in less than a fraction of a second. This event is called cosmic inflation. By the end of the first second, the universe was an ultra-hot, ultra-dense quark soup. But this was only the beginning. As the universe cooled, energy transformed into matter. But there was a rule. Every particle of matter was created with its opposite, antimatter. When matter and antimatter met, they annihilated each other completely. This was a cosmic war. And somehow, matter won by 1 part in a billion. Without that tiny imbalance, no stars, no planets, no you. We are the survivors of that ancient battle. Around the same time, a hidden force took the stage, the Higgs field. Particles gained mass, atoms became possible. Then, 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe cooled enough for electrons to bind with nuclei. Light was finally released. Today, we still detect that ancient glow.as, the cosmic microwave background radiation. The universe was no longer silent, but it was still lifeless. Fast forward to 4.5 billion years ago. In a quiet corner of the Milky Way, our sun was born. Surrounding it was a massive cloud of dust and gas. For decades, scientists couldn't explain how dust turned into planets. Then experiments aboard the International Space Station revealed something crucial. Electrostatic forces, like a balloon sticking to paper, caused dust particles to clump together. Gravity took over, planets formed, early Earth was a nightmare. Temperatures above 1,200 degrees Celsius. Oceans of molten lava. Then came the impact that changed everything. A Mars-sized planet called Theia collided with Earth at 15 kilometers per second. Earth melted completely, the debris blasted into space eventually formed the Moon. This collision also gave Earth its axial tilt, its seasons, long-term stability. But life still couldn't exist, something vital was missing. The inner solar system was dry, Earth had no oceans, water arrived through billions of years of asteroid impacts from the outer solar system. But those asteroids carried more than water. Carbon, amino acids, the chemical letters of life. They delivered these ingredients to deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Around 3.8 billion years ago, the first single-celled life emerged. Then came a revolution. Bacterial colonies called stromatolites learned to use sunlight. They performed photosynthesis. They produced oxygen, but oxygen didn't enter the atmosphere immediately. For nearly 1 billion years, it reacted with iron in the oceans, creating the massive iron deposits we mine today. Slowly, Earth began to breathe. As continents merged into the supercontinent Rodinia, carbon dioxide was locked into rocks. The greenhouse effect collapsed. Around 650 million years ago, Earth froze completely. Ice covered the planet. Up to 3 kilometers thick, life nearly vanished. But volcanoes never stopped. Carbon dioxide accumulated again, the planet warmed, the ice melted. And with that melting came one of the most dramatic events in biological history. The Cambrian explosion. Life diversified at an unprecedented rate. The ozone layer formed, life left the oceans, plants arrived first, then insects, then early amphibians like Tiktaalik. Earth was no longer a microbial world. Earth's history is written in mass extinctions. 250 million years ago, volcanic eruptions wiped out 95% of all life. This disaster cleared the way for dinosaurs. They ruled the planet for 165 million years until 0.66 million years ago, a 10-kilometer wide asteroid struck Earth. The dinosaurs vanished. And small mammals, our ancestors, emerged from the shadows. Tectonic shifts reshaped Africa. The climate dried. Forests turned into open grasslands. Our ancestors stood upright. Their hands became free. And 70,000 years ago, a small group of Homo sapiens left Africa. They spread across the planet. Every explosion, every extinction, every coincidence, all of it led here. The universe is now aware of itself, through you. A story that began from a point smaller than an atom. Continues inside your mind. Right now.